Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Bred for city life, this SUV adds curb appeal to every street. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, smartphone wireless charging, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Car and Driver explains its light-effort rack-mounted electric power steering, however, provides ample feedback, and this little crossover SUV remains composed even on bumpy roads. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.